Hi beauty, look what I got you today. This PERMANIA lash and brow lift and tint. So it's a 4-in-1 kit. It's super cool and you can use it at home. It has the manual. Use it under your eyes to kind of protect your under eye skin. It has 1, 2, and 3 packs. It has the kits and tools for you, the tinting and the lifting. It has the mixing bowl, the developer, the tinting developer, and the black, the color, the lifting kit, which I'm going to be using today on my brows, the relaxing petroleum glycerin. At the internal side of the box here, it has the step 1, 2, 3, 4, all the steps that you need to do the lifting and the tinting for the lashes. Isn't that super cool? So this is the lash kit, lash lift tool. Also comes with additional lash brushes and items that will help you, like for the lifting, and other brushes here. Also comes with this tool to help you separate the lashes, gel patches, these patches that will help you, those silicone patches that you need to apply on your eyelids. This basically, you will be applying it on your eyelid like this, and then you will put the put the glue on your lashes like this, and you will be applying the lift and the coloring, help you give the shape for your lashes size. Look, this is less puffy and the other one is more puffy. Comes with more tools to help you spread the solution. And here is the lifting, the perming, the setting, the essence, and the cleansing. This lash glue balm as well. So these are like, and it's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the balm. So these are the steps that you are going to be using. Also following these steps in here, or following these steps that are written on the box from here. To do these steps on my eyebrows, so I'm going, after cleansing the eyebrows, you apply the glue, the shape of the brows. This brush will help you apply in an easier manner, and then you kind of brush it with the other brush. Then we're gonna apply the perming solution. Okay, gonna leave it. So now you clean it with a cotton or a clean tissue. Now we use the setting, add it here. Now with a cotton swab, we're gonna clean completely. And with the mascara wand, we're gonna put the essence and we're gonna leave it to dry. And those steps, we can do them for the lashes as well. At this point, before the essence, we can put the tinting, but I'm not gonna use the tinting for my eyebrows. And this is the essence. Look at it, my eyebrows, they are really nice, and right now they're gonna stay in this shape. I don't need to brush them anymore. They are amazing. This kit is amazing. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. Cheers.